Hello friends, in this video we are discussing 20 MCQ of toxicology. This is 7th set of toxicology 200 MCQ series. If you found this video helpful for you, please like the video, subscribe our channel for more video updates. Question number 1 is, which one belongs to zero order kinetics? Which one belongs to zero order kinetics is option B, half-life is increased with the increasing concentration of compound. Option B is right, half-life is increased with the increasing concentration of the compound is belongs to zero order kinetics. Option B is right. Question number 2 is, Wilson's disease is associated with the accumulation of following metal. Wilson's disease is associated with the accumulation of following metal is copper. Option E is right, copper. Question number 3 is, which of the following favors the accumulation of toxicant in biological system? Which of the following favors the accumulation of the toxicant in biological system is option C, resistance to metabolism and lipophilicity. Option C is right, resistance to metabolism and lipophilicity. Option C is right. Question number 4 is, most of the copper in the body remains bound to ceruloplasmin. Option A is right, ceruloplasmin. Option A is right. Question number 5 is, antidotes administered in case of copper poisoning. Antidote or antidotes administered in case of copper poisoning. Option A, penicillamine, and option C, dimercaprol. A and C is right. Option E is right. A and C, penicillamine and dimercaprol. Option E is right. Question number 6 is, antidote for arsenic poisoning. Antidote for arsenic poisoning is dimercaprol. Option C is right, dimercaprol. Question number 7 is, antidote for cyanide poisoning. Antidote for cyanide poisoning is sodium nitrate. Option B is right, sodium nitrate. Question number 8 is, antidote for paraquat. Antidote for paraquat is Fuller's earth. Option E is right, Fuller's earth. Question number 9 is, antidote for acetaminophen, paracetamol. Option A is N-acetylcysteine. Option A is right, N-acetylcysteine is antidote for acetaminophen, paracetamol. Option A is right. Question number 10 is, therapeutic index is expressed as LD50 upon ED50. Option B is right. Question number 11 is, margin of safety is expressed as LD1 upon ED99. Option A is right, LD1 upon ED99. Question number 12 is, what is the first pass effect? First pass effect, when a larger part of the drug toxicant is metabolized by GIT or liver before reaching to the circulation. Option E is right, when a larger part of the drug toxicant is metabolized by GIT or liver before reaching to the circulation. Option E. Question number 13 is, in the body most of the drug remains bound to the plasma proteins. Which one of the following is preferred? In the body most of the drug remains bound to the plasma protein. Which one of the following is the preferred bond? Option A is ionic bond, B hydrogen bond, C van der Waals force, D hydrophobic interaction. Option E is right, all of these is preferred bond. Option E is right. Question number 14 is, xenobiotics metabolism will basically leads to altered chemical structure. Option B is right, altered chemical structure. Next question is, which is not a part of phase 1 biotransformation of toxicants? Which is not a part of phase 1 biotransformation of toxicant? Option D, glutathione conjugation. Glutathione conjugation is not a part of phase 1 biotransformation. Question number 16 is, following are the reactions included in phase 2 biotransformation action. Following are the reactions included in phase 2 transformation except quinone reduction. Option B is right, quinone reduction. Question number 17 is, which is the most important enzyme in xenobiotic biotransformation? Which is the most important enzyme in xenobiotic biotransformation is cytochrome P450. Option E is right, cytochrome P450 is most important enzyme in xenobiotic biotransformation. Question number 18 is, alcohol dehydrogenase an important enzyme in biotransformation of alcohol, catalyzes the following type of reaction. Option C, oxidation. This reaction is oxidation. Alcohol dehydrogenase, an important enzyme in the biotransformation of alcohol, catalyzes the following type of reaction is oxidation. Option C is right. Question number 19 is, which one is the most common conjugation reaction in phase 2 biotransformation? Which one of the following? Which one is the most common conjugation reaction in phase 2 biotransformation is glucuronidation. Option A is right. Glucuronidation. Option A is right. Question number 20 is the last question of this video. If you found this video is helpful for you, please like the video, share with your friends, and please subscribe our channel for more videos. Question number 20 is UDP glucuronyl transferase. UDP glucuronyl transferase UGT, which catalyze the glucuronidation reaction in phase 2 biotransformation, are located in within the cell, is located in endoplasmic reticulum within the cell. Option B is right. UDP glucuronyl transferase, which catalyze the glucuronidation reaction in phase 2 transformation, are located in endoplasmic reticulum. Option B is right. Thank you for watching.